This is Artem's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The gap between the idealistic promises of frontier AI and the hard reality of institutional power is widening. From secret military contracts to the granular failures of medical diagnostics. The story of DeepMind is a cautionary tale about the illusion of independent governance. Back in 2014, the acquisition by Google came with a strict condition. But that board was effectively abandoned shortly after, and DeepMind leadership even tried a secret plan called Project Mario to win back their autonomy with a proposed 333 board structure. They failed. By February 2025, the pledge against using AI for weapons and surveillance was simply removed from the principles. This culminated in a classified deal with the Pentagon in April 2026. It allows the government to use these models for any lawful purpose. It proves that in a race for superintelligence, voluntary commitments are no match for national security imperative. While the boardroom battles define the boundaries of power, the actual behavior of these models is defined by something much more granular. Writers are now using capability slices to diagnose exactly why a model fails. It is not just about a low score on a benchmark. It is about identifying whether the failure is in symbolic transformation or constraint tracking. This gap becomes dangerous in high-stakes fields. A new benchmark for dermatology called IMC bench. Models could describe skin lesions with high accuracy, but they failed to escalate urgency for malignant or rare conditions. They were right about the pixels, but wrong about emerging. To fix these, new frameworks like Dynastier are emerging. They use Fisher LDA to purify the true signal in a model's activations. This allows for real-time corrections without the massive cost of retraining. This struggle for precision in the code mirrors a larger struggle for control over the money. We are seeing a massive shift in the stablecoin landscape. A consortium including Stripe, Coinbase, and BlackRock has unveiled Open USD. This is a direct attack on the economics of Circle and its USDC token. Instead of the issuer keeping all the interest from US Treasury reserves, Open USD lets the partners share that income. It is a move to decentralize the profit of the digital dollar. This financial volatility is happening against a chaotic macro backdrop. The Japanese yen has hit a 40 low. This has pushed the US dollar higher and put immense pressure on Bitcoin. Even Strategy, the largest corporate holder of BTC, has pivoted from its never sell mantra to a monetization program involving over $1 billion. The infrastructure of the future is being built on a foundation of extreme volatility. Today's through line is the collapse of the buffer zone. Whether it is the removal of ethics boards at DeepMind, the gap between accuracy and safety in medicine, or the move to strip incumbents of stablecoin profits, the guardrails are disappearing. We are moving into a phase where the raw capabilities of AI are being integrated directly into the machinery of state power and global finance, without the safety layers we were promised. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.